In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a first name in a Kit email. Personalizing your emails is one of the simplest ways to make your subscribers feel like you're speaking directly to them. Instead of a generic "Hi there," you can greet people by their first name automatically using a personalization tag inside Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the most direct and reliable way to do that, step by step, and explain what's happening behind the scenes so you feel confident using it in any email you create. First, open up the email you're working on inside Kit. This could be a broadcast, a sequence email, or even a template. Click into the email editor so you can type as you normally would. Now decide where you want that first name to show up. A common spot is right after your greeting. For example, you might write "Hi" and then leave a space where the name will go. Place your cursor exactly where you want the subscriber's first name to appear. This is important because Kit will insert the personalization tag right at the cursor position. Next, look for the controls that let you add dynamic content. Depending on your editor layout, you'll either see a small plus icon to the left of the line you're editing or a menu option in the toolbar labeled Personalize. Both of these take you to the same place, so use whichever is visible or easier for you. Go ahead and click that plus icon, or click on the Personalize option in the toolbar. When the personalization menu opens, you'll see several options related to your subscriber's data. From that list, choose Subscriber's First Name. This tells Kit that you want to insert a dynamic tag that will pull each subscriber's first name from your list, instead of you typing names manually. As soon as you select subscriber's first name, Kit will automatically insert a shortcode into your email. It looks like a small bit of code wrapped in curly brackets. You don't need to memorize it, and you shouldn't edit the characters inside it. Just know that this shortcode is a placeholder. When your email is sent, Kit will replace that placeholder with the actual first name for each subscriber. To double-check your work, you can preview the email or send yourself a test. In preview mode, Kit will often show an example name so you can see how it looks in context, like "Hi Alex" or "Hi Jamie," depending on your test data. If it looks good in the preview, you're all set. From now on, any subscriber who has a first name saved in your audience will see their name right there in your greeting, creating a more personal and engaging experience with almost no extra effort on your part.